Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a maintenance video. So I'm going to do my brows, I'm going to wax my upper lip, and then I'm going to do like a little facial. I just took a shower, I washed my hair, so that's why I have my little towel on. This is like a microfiber towel, so it helps your hair like not be frizzy, especially if you have curly hair, by the way. So first things first, I think I'm going to do my brows because my brows are teamed too much right now. They're actually not terrible, like my brows never get too bad, but you definitely can see, hopefully it focused, but you can see that I do have hair, like unwanted hair. I want for it to focus. Hopefully, yeah, you guys can see it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab a little spoolie and I'm going to brush my hairs. I like to brush them up just so I can see the line. It's definitely going to be hard to do it with one hand because I like to brace, but I'm not going to brace today because I only have one hand. So I'm going to pluck all the hairs that don't need to be there. And I don't like to pluck my tail too much because my tail is already so skinny. And these tweezers are freaking bomb.com, by the way. They are from Revlon. They play no games. So I'm just gonna pluck away, because sometimes in the winter time I just get lazy. I'm just like, whatever, like I don't get my toes done, I don't get my nails done, but I'm gonna do Christmas nails, so look forward to that. Like, that's gonna be fun. So my brows are super easy to clean up because I don't have a lot of hair. All right, so this is this is my brow that hurt like crazy. So now I'm going to brush my hairs up and then I'm going to trim it. This part I kind of need both hands, but I'm gonna try to still do it with one hand. So all the hairs that are like crazy, I like to just trim it so that they're even, as you guys can see. Like, I feel like I went hectic today. And then brush it back in place. So this is my one brow. The tail looks crazy. That's better. That is a lot better. Okay, so here's my brow. This is before, this is after. So I'm gonna do the other one off camera because this literally took me 4 minutes. Like uncut, 4 minutes, that's actually not bad. So let me do the other brow off camera. All right, so I finished my brows. This is my alcohol swab. I like to just wipe my brows after I pluck them with alcohol, just to clean up the area. And it helps prevent me from getting bumps, because you know how some people get those little bumps on their brows? I hate that, so I just clean it with alcohol. It's not the best for your skin, but it is what it is. I think it looks good. Once I fill it in, it's gonna be perfect. So now for the upper lip, this part, you guys seen me use this one. I'll leave in the description box, or I'll leave it in a bubble where, you know, the product I use. It is the NADS facial wax strips. It's worked for me. Sorry, I'm cleaning my little scissors with the alcohol swab. Let me show you. I'm sorry, I'm so distracted by cleaning these scissors. Anyways, so this is the NADS facial wax strips. I use this to wax my upper lips. They work my upper lips. It's only one pair, one lip. It works really well and it's super easy to use. I don't use the little oil wipes because that made me break out, because when I did the review I used it and it made my lip break out so bad. So I just use alcohol wipes. As you guys can see, this is the alcohol swabs I use. So let's get the wax ready. This hurts so freaking bad, but your girl's got to do it because I literally have so much peach fuzz right now. So you just stick it on there and then rub it And then we're gonna wax our lip. I'm so scared. I hate this. Ooh. But yeah, it gets like all the hair, as you guys can see. Hopefully it focused. Okay, there it is. Look at how much hair was on my upper lip. That's so embarrassing. Jesus. So let me just finish it. Let me get this extra wax. That is crazy. All right, now that my lip is hella red, I'm just gonna wipe it with alcohol. Once again, this helps with the bumps, so just do that. I bet like tea tree oil would work as well, and it would be less harsh. Sorry, this alcohol is so strong. All right, everything is good. I don't have freaking lip hair and extra brow hairs. Gorgeous. So now we're gonna use this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. We're gonna try it out. I probably should zoom out now so you can see my whole face. I don't know if I should let my thing relax. Hopefully this won't make me break out because I'm putting something that's hydrating on my face after I just waxed, but I think it would be, it says non-irritant, so it should be fine. So we're just gonna apply the mask and smooth like it over your face comfortably. It says leave it on for 15 minutes, then peel off and massage the serum on your face. So it seems simple, and I've heard a lot of good stuff about Tatcha, so I'm excited to use this. It smells good. I was nervous. Okay, so let's grab the mask out. So, oh shoot, I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that. Oh my god. Definitely, it's very juicy. Very much juicy. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so messy. Okay, so I'm going to put this mask on my face. Oh, it's this way. I was like, do I need to move? I'm gonna move my towel back a little bit. Ooh. I can tell that this is definitely giving your girl hydration. Let me put this on my neck. Jesus. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have ever used this mask before. It feels nice on my nicely waxed skin. It's very soothing. I should get all this because people age over here, so you know I want to stay looking young. I feel like there's so much juice in here. Oh shoot, it is. Let me put this. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes. I'm gonna watch like a YouTube video or something, and I'll be back. I actually need to clean up this mess because it spilled like everywhere. So this is the mask. Super cute. Giving what the girls need to be giving. I'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. I feel like it's crooked, and I don't know why the lighting is dark. I don't know if it's because my face is so white right now because of the mask, but I'm going to peel her off. It was starting to burn on my upper lip, but, and then they say you should rub all this in. Yeah, it definitely was the mask because now it's like brightened up. It feels good. We'll see in the morning. I mean, you'll see, you guys will see it tomorrow as well because I'm vlogging every day. I don't know if I should use the rest of this stuff in here. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put the rest of it on my face as well. Might as well. Oh. And then put it on my chestalonas. You know, don't waste it. Tatcha is expensive. They got on my eye, whatever. Okay. I like bathed in it. It was so much. Put it on my hands, might as well. On my elbows, might as well. But yeah, so this is what my skin looks like. I definitely feel hydrated. Hopefully it absorbs. Like I look like those Instagram people where their skin looks so hydrated and stuff, and they stand in the sunlight and they take a picture. That's what my skin looks like right now. So that was my little maintenance video. We're gonna do our nails another day because I want to do like a whole video on Christmas nails. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe because we're on the road to 13K. I think we can do it by the end of the year. We're gonna try our best to get there. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one, which should be tomorrow. So see you tomorrow.